everyone, my name is Lupita Sandoval, and today I'm excited to be here at my new listing located at 37604 Sumac Avenue in the wonderful city of Palmdale. This great property features 3 bedrooms, 1 1/4 bath, and is 1,044 square feet. With a little TLC, this would be the perfect opportunity for either a first-time home buyer or an investor. Let's check it out. Thank you for checking out my listing. I'm here for all of your real estate needs. You can reach me at 562-972-6221 or on my website at lupitasandoval.com. Hope to hear from you soon.